Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, it's time. We got your boys over here. We're going to go ahead and do Chronicles number 15, or 14, excuse me. Chronicles number 14. If you guys want to know why Bo knows Magma, we got a signed Bo Jackson jersey. We got a couple of spots left in that Mosaic one. Again, if we oversell, I'll put you in something else. But we got a signed Mosaic cello box. That cello box you see over there in the right-hand corner. That box and that Bo Jackson jersey put together in one break. So we're going to random off that Bo Jackson jersey to somebody, not in this break, but in the next break. So go ahead on over to BigPoppaBreaks.com and grab a spot. All right, let's go ahead and see who's in this break. We got Tommy H with the Steelers, Tommy H with the Packers, CC with the Chiefs, Tommy H with the Broncos, Tommy H with the Raiders. Josh G's got the Washington football team. Josh G's got the Colts. Michael B's got the Cowboys. CD Lamb auto, please. And then Jesse's got the Vikes and Clay's got the Bills. We're going to go ahead and take the teams first and take all those. We're going to take all 20 of these teams, actually 22. We combine the Giants and the Jets and the Falcons and the Texans. We're going to copy them. We're going to take them over here to random.org, and we're going to put them in. We're going to go 7 times, and then we'll place them back over there, guys. Good luck. Here we go. Paste. It's go time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good luck. Number 7. Boom, top 10. We're going to take the Ravens up to the Hawks. Number 12, Hawks. Copy it. Put it over here. Paste it. Text it. Text it. Hammer it. All right, here we go. Let's get back over here. Let's take the rest of them. The Cards down to the Chicago Bears. CC, I hope you get the Bears, buddy. All right. William Refrigerator Perry. I think that's Sky Cook, though, wants that one. All right. Boom. Boom. All right, now we're going to take your names and we're going to random them 7 times, guys. Good luck. Here we go. Copy those names. We're going to go over here and random 7 times. This is where the getting gets good. Here we go, boys. Let's go. Paste. 1, 7 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Boom, on the bottom is Josh G. On the top is Michael B. Beautiful. All right. Copy that. Put it over here. Paste it in. Who you got? Paste special. Text. Okay. I'm going to put a border around them all. We're going to hit print. And then we're going to open the trade window. The trade window is officially open. Michael B, you get the Cowboys, Seahawks, Cardinals. Tommy, you got the Raiders, Patriots, Rams, Steelers, Lions, Browns, Broncos, Giants, Jets, Bucks. Josh G, you got the Colts, the Bengals, the Falcons, the Texans. CC, Chiefs, Saints, Titans. Clay, you got the Bills, the Jags, the Niners. Jesse, you got the Vikes, the Eagles, and the Chargers. Who are you, Jesse? Who are you? All right, Tommy, you got the Packers, the Dolphins, and the Panthers. Josh, you got the what? The Washington football team, Ravens, and the Bears. Congrats. Anybody want the Seahawks? Anybody want the Seahawks? They are on the trading block. Oh, boy. JD, congrats, brother. Congrats. You wouldn't have believed it if I didn't show you. All right, guys, I'm going to be right back. I need to go get some Advil. Legs bumping up on me a little bit. I'm going to grab another drink and an Advil. I'll be right back. Jesse is stacked. He's over here talking trash, and he's not talking trash. He's like, yes! He's jumping up and down on Instagram right now. Jackie, anyway, one of those. All right, guys, do a screenshot. 3, 2, 1. Josh G, which one are you talking about? Is the sold out? The bow is not sold out. Number 15 is not sold out, but this one is sold out. All right, here we go, guys. I'm going to go ahead and close the trade window. Let's get it going. Josh, which one are you talking about, brother? The bow break has, I think, 3 spots left. 3 or 4 spots left. I'm not exactly sure. It's updated on the website, though. So if you go to the website, you'll be able to see it. If you can't find it, just type in the search Bo Jackson and you'll be able to find it. But it's in all breaks. We got to pretty much go for that one. The Hawks are the Hawks and the Cardinals don't have much. So we're looking for Cowboys. We're looking for DiNucci. We're looking for DiNucci. DiNucci or bust. All right. Patty. Chiefs. Who's got the Chiefs? Cece. You're going to have a good break, brother. Calvin Ridley. Ooh, baby, make it hurt so good. Sometimes love don't feel like it should. Oh, baby, Jalen hurts so good. Is that you, Jesse? Jesse, there is a little bit of a scratch underneath the D there. That came that way. But it's a nice silver. There he is, the second rookie in here. Lamb. From the Detroit Lions. DeAndre Swizzle. From the Las Vegas Raiders, numbered to 199er, Brian Edwards. Tua Tagovailoa, Tommy H. And then last card mojo is J.K. Dobbins. All right, good start, not bad. Tua, Jalen, and CD in one pack. Not too shabby, my friends. The first CD Lamb of many, Michael. Of many. He's like, I don't care if you just give me 2, but one better have some autograph on it. Come on, ring the bell. School's in, sucker. If you want me to, I got a Sharpie right here. It's got that thick one, though. All right, I'll go ahead and do it. Here we go. There you go, brother. Just for you, Michael. Just for you, brother. That's a beaut right there. That's a beaut. All right, second pack. Chase Claypool on the top. Going out to your boy, Tommy H. Baker Mayfield. It's coming to you just like that. I think we got our first auto, guys. Upside down. Upside down. Prism auto. Uh-oh. PB7. Looks like it's from the Indianapolis Colts. Out of 75, Jonathan Taylor, JG. Woo! Very nice pick on the Colts. Josh G, hit it, baby. Out of 75, Prism Black. Jonathan Taylor. That's a beaut. That's a freaking beauty. There it is. There it is. I love the Prism Black signatures. Ralph does too. He got a freaking dadgum Joe Burrow out of 10. Did Dean just get that? Dean, are you pulling for dadgum Josh G? Julian Blackman. Yes, you are. KJ, Green Eggs, and Hamler. Chase. Claypool, number 2 of the pack. Oh, baby. From the Chargers. Going to your boy, Jesse D. Justin Aber. Yeah, Vital, we have one that has this mosaic. I don't know if you can see it. We get a mosaic cello box. That is sealed cello box and a Bo Jackson signed jersey that's going to be random to everybody in it. You get to pick your first team. We have this same break up again. It's the Contenders break number 15. You go to BigPoppaBreaks.com and you can get it. But yeah, go to BigPoppaBreaks.com and you can get it. Darnell Mooney. Jesse's already doing work. Already doing work. I need to put that in there. As soon as we're done, well, I'm done doing this, I'm going to go ahead and plop into our Instagram, BigPoppaBreaks.com, so these people know where to go. I'm learning from Bobby D. Bobby D. Magma. I think we have, do we have another one in there too? We will have another one here in a second, by the way. Hello. Ooh, baby, make it hurt so good. You got it, Vital. Yeah, just go to BigPoppaBreaks.com. I'm about to put it in there, and I'll pin the message. But look through the group breaks that we have. We have some personal breaks. We have some selector blasters and stuff like that. All right, here we go, guys. Good luck. Ooh, this one feels thick. Dean's not even in this group, brother. Well, he's hopefully still in the group. Dean, don't leave us. But he's not in this draft. Oh, we got a silver Panini Black Prism. All right, Gronk. All right, here we go. Here we go. Uh-oh. All right. From the Baltimore Ravens. Josh G. done did it again. J.K. Dobbins. Josh G. doing work. J.J. Jalen Johnson. Can you feel the love tonight? Tonight, is it where you wanna be? Jordan Love goes to Tommy H. JJ, Jerry Jeudy. T. Higgins. And from the Indianapolis Colts, MPJ. Really nice, JK. JK and JT coming at you. From JG. What? What? Trying to see something real quick. Hold on. All right, I got you. All right, here we go. There he is. Wayner Heinesmooch. From the New York Jets, Joey Namath. Guaranteed. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on, baby. Oh, no, CC, don't do it. CC, don't do it like that. Tom Brady. 2013 score. CC. He's like, the one time I frickin' don't get him. Tua. Tagovailoa. Tommy, congrats on the Tom Brady, brother. Dolphins, Tommy H. J.K. Dobbins. From the Chargers, out of 99, J.D. Look at that. J.H. Justin Herbert, nice hit. Nice hit, J.D. From the Dadgummit, frickin' T. Higgins, get out of my life forever. And then your boy Chase Young. He's got one already, all right? He's got one already. It's a nice hit, though. Yeah, I'm sorry, JD. I was looking at the bottom. I forgot I pinned something. There is a little scratch on the top of the Hertz right underneath the Dynagon. I'll show it to you in a second. There ain't no scratches on those dadgum Justin Herberts. Out of 99ers, baby. Out of 99ers. Tua. Gosh, I like luminance. Yada-dum, yada-dum, yada-dum. I don't know if you can see it or not. Right underneath the Dynagon there. Herbie RPA. Need to get in the RPA break to get the Herbie RPA. I'm telling to everybody. CC, I've never seen you mad, man. And I appreciate that about you. Dalvin Cook. From the Cincinnati Bengals, T. Higgins. Backwards, PB. Paul Bunyan. Number 20. From the Jacksonville Jaguars, it's your boy, LaVisca Chenault out of 49. eBay 101. 49 of 49. CC, please tell me you have the Jaguars. Dang it, CC. Who's got the Jags? Clay A. Bay. Look at that beauty. Holy cow. Clay. Is that your second? No, you didn't get that other one. Nice hit, brother. Nice hit on the LaVisca. Gosh, I love me some LaVisca. 49 of 49. We got 2 Panini Black Prism autographs in that box. That's sick. LaVisca. Shut up. HR3. T. Higgins, get out of my life forever. Oh my God. Jesse. That says 1 of 1. Justin Herbert. 1 of 1. Oh my God. Yeah, you got it. Holy. Wow. I about just jizzed myself, JD. Oh my gosh, it's got sparkles in it and everything. Holy crap. JD. JD, 1 of 1. Justin Herbert. Holy crap. Clay. All right, brother, I'll put it right here. Tell me when you got it. Got it? Holy crap, man. That is insane. That is insane. That is insane. Oh my gosh. Nice hit, brother. Congrats. All right. I don't know where you go from there. Good night, everybody. Bobby, just... Oh, you want to see it? Sorry. He's on Instagram. You guys can get screenshots of it now. It's got little sparkles in it, too. If you hold it up to the light, there's sparkles in the back. It's like it's a disco or something. It's so sweet. Oh, my God. I'm shook a little bit, yeah. HR3. And then LaVisca. Shut up. Somebody just said that they would trade their L'Jarius Sneed for that if you want to. Jesse, congrats, man. Dude, the Russell Wilson downtown ain't close to this, brother. The Russell Wilson downtown is like sweeping up the floors compared to what you're going to sell that for. Jalen, oh baby, make it hurt so good. Chase Young. We got a purple Dynagon, and it's Jerry Jeudy. Jerry Jeudy is out of 125. Nice hit, Broncos. Tommy H. Antonio Gibson. And C. D's Lamb. Breathe, BP, breathe. I'll save that card for Pack Wars, yes. When we open up Clearly Donruss. I don't want to put this in front of the signed one. That JJ is Purdy as well. I guess I'll have to put it in the old top loader as well. I didn't sign that one. The other one comes, it's a BPAS. Instead of BAS, which is Beckett Authenticated, it's Big Poppa Authenticated. Where do we put Jalen Hurts? There he is. We're good, kid. We're good, JD. All right, guys. We got our memorabilia card. Let's see who we got. It looks green. It looks green. Come on, Jordan. DM. Who's DM? Deuce McAllister? Devontae Adams? No, Denzel Mims. Denzel Mims out of 99er. 90 out of 99er. Ooh, it's a big old silhouette pack. Oh, it's an RPA. Unaveraged. We got unaveraged. Denzel Mims, RPA, going out to the Jets, Jets. RPA from Denzel Mimsy. Tommy boy. Hit it. I appreciate it there, JD. Look at that. 3 autos and a 101 in that box. Yes, please. All right, guys, here we go. Second box. CD Lamb. CD Lamb. CD Lamb. Empty. Good call, Rizzo and Dean. You're smart, I'm dumb. Okay? Okay. Cameron Akers from Clinton, Mississippi. Y'all know where he's from. C-Mac. Silver Legacy from the Indianapolis Colts. It's JT. Jalen Hurts, Luminance. Ooh, baby, make it hurt so good. Sometimes love don't feel like it should, oh, baby. Jalen Hurts so good. Akuda Matata out of 99er. From the San Francisco 49ers, Brandon Ayuk. And from the Kansas City Chiefs, Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Oh, man. Dino's like, if I would have bought 7 spots in this thing. Tommy bought a bunch, didn't land the Chargers, but he's going to be all right. He's going to be just okay. Brand new dad Tommy is going to be okay. Hopefully the kid's doing well. If y'all remember Tommy, please think of him and his wife and new baby child that was in the NICU, I think, the other night. Baby was born about 8 weeks too soon, but he said everything was good so far. He hadn't emailed me or anything. Tommy, if you're listening to this, email me and update us so I can let everybody know. But we're praying for you and we're thinking about you, brother. Hopefully you're watching right now and this is giving you some joy, apart from what's going on, man. But we're praying for you and your wife and your little baby. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl, but praying for you, man. All right, guys, here we go. Next pack. Here we go. Saquon. From the Dallas Cowboys. Emmitt Smith. Is this backwards? Ooh, it looks like a dadgum bear, though. Looks like the Bears. Is it Jalen Johnson or Cole Kmet? What do you think? Number 28. Cole Kmet. Bears. CC, tell me you have the Bears again. Bears go to Josh. Josh, your dadgum sweeping. You're out of 35, too. Nice hit. 4 of 35. Cole Kmet. Josh G is getting a bunch of the sign cards. He's like, I'd rather have the Herbert 101, okay? Everybody would. All right, there's only one autograph left, and it's going to Michael B. Come on, Michael. Come on, Michael. We're pulling for you. Josh Akuda. Not everybody, actually. Everybody else is like, no, give it to me. Cam Akers, Clinton, Mississippi. From the Jacksonville Jaguars. Luton. Gluten-free. Ooh, baby, make it hurt so good. Sometimes love don't feel like it should. Oh, baby, Jalen hurts so good. HR3. Dean's such a charitable guy. Brandon, yuck. James, please excuse me, Mrs. Robinson. Heaven holds a place for those who pray. A Silver Prism, JD, get ready. Justin Jefferson, Silver Prism Black. Woo! Nobody said anything on it, JD. Sorry, I just saw that. It's got to be multiple thousands, though. J.K. Dobbins. JT. I got a peaceful Jacobean feeling, and it won't hold me down. I can't even remember it now. Nobody circles the wagons like Jake from State Farm. Everybody does. Cam Akers. Clinton, Mississippi. Anybody have any guess on how much that Herbert's going to go for? That's what JD was asking in Instagram. Anybody want to guess what the Herbert 101 will go for? You think Jake Luton's going to beat out Tim Tebow? Rizzo apologizes for the whole entire organization. They say probably a couple thousand. Somebody said $4,000, JD. We got one of those, that card autoed. Dean, did you get that card autoed? The autoed card out of 10 is going for $1,200. So I'd probably put it at about 25 to 3. But we got a signed card. Here we go. Here's our last autograph. I'm going to look on YouTube if I gave it away. Nope, didn't. All right, here we go. Upside down. Come on. Michael B. Breathe. Pray. Rizzo says it's $6.79. He said he'll give you 7. Number 453. Looks like a Steeler. Chase Claypool. We still got a chance in an RPA, but it doesn't look good. Chase Claypool out of 50. Didn't we just get one of those in the last break? Steelers. Tommy H. got him 2 Chase Claypool autographs tonight. Congrats, Tommy. COVID, I will, brother. Well, we'll do another one. We still got a chance at the RPA. Don't fret. Don't fret. MPJ. We had a bunch of CEHs in here, brother. Patrick McQueen. From the Dolphins. Tua Tagovailoa. I don't know. Did it fill up yet, Brandon? I don't think it filled up. I think we still got like 2 or 3 spots left. J.K. Dobbins, Prism Black, and Jay Jetta. Ravens, Josh G. There was a JK sign card, wasn't there? Yeah. That was dope. Dope on a rope. Son. DeAndre Hopkins. Tua. Again? George Kittles and Bits. QB number 10, Justin Abear. Jerry Judy. I about to say George Judy. Meet George Jetson. Out of 99, Dalvin Cook. From the Detroit Lions, it's Swizzle and Chase Young. Cece, you got that Tom Brady, didn't you, from the Pat? Oh, sorry, too soon? Yeah. These are the Dolphins. Tommy H. Tommy H got a bunch of Tuas tonight. All right, guys, last pack. We got our memorabilia card in here. Hopefully it's an RPA of CeeDee Lamb. We got a 101 of this card, too. CC, you know I love you. You know Big Poppa loves him some CC. CC's Pizza, but you know, you too, buddy. You too a little bit. Something gold in here. All right, Jonathan Taylor. There's the Chiefs right there. One touch. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. We got a gold foil. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. We might have another 101. Panini Prism Black gold foil. Brandon Ayuk. Is this 101? I think it's 101. It's at least 10. 3 out of 5. Nice hit, freaking Clay. Brandon Ayuk gold foil. Prism Black. That's sweet, man. Clay, nice hit, man. That'll pay for your next break. Another Clyde Edwards-Helaire. And then Julian Blackman. All right, last card, guys. Good luck. From the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, Tom Brady 101 sign. Come on. Chris Godwin. Out of 299, Chris Godwin. I don't think we should ever get it. I mean, who would buy a dadgum case of this stuff? Thank you guys for filling the break. Please head on over to BigPoppaBreaks.com. Buy into some of our breaks. If you're on YouTube, please hit like and subscribe. Congratulations, Clay. Congratulations, Tommy. Congratulations, Jesse D. Good job, buddy. You got it, brother. You got it. All right, guys. Hit like and subscribe. God bless.